Hey, if you've ever stared at crypto charts for hours, wondering why prices suddenly pump or crash, you're not alone. The truth is, predicting crypto price movement isn't about guesswork. It's about spotting patterns, following smart money, and using the right tools. And today, I'm going to show you how AI can completely change the way you trade using a powerful system called ZenChain AI. Most traders lose money because they're late. They jump in after the hype when whales have already made their moves. By the time retail investors catch on, the big gains are gone. But what if you could see, in real time, exactly what whales are buying and selling? What if you could predict price movement before the crowd even notices? That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech companies or stock market quants anymore. In crypto, AI can scan thousands of wallets, transactions, and social sentiment faster than any human ever could. Instead of spending hours scrolling through X, Telegram groups, or CoinMarketCap, AI condenses all that noise into clear, actionable insights. And ZenChain AI is built exactly for that purpose. ZenChain AI is like a crystal ball for crypto markets. Here's how it works. Whale tracking. It monitors multi-million-dollar wallets across Ethereum, Solana, and other chains. You instantly see what tokens whales are buying, how much they're injecting, and what they're dumping. Sentiment analysis. The AI pulls data from social platforms and expert accounts, showing whether the mood around a coin is bullish, bearish, or neutral. That means you can spot hype before it explodes. Instant research. Instead of juggling 10 different tools, ZenChain AI gives you charts, contracts, social links, and token sniffers in one dashboard. Research that used to take hours now takes minutes. Memecoin radar. If you're into high-risk, high-reward plays, the memecoin section shows top gainers, volume spikes, and pump alerts. You can see which projects whales are quietly loading up on. Wallet insights. You can dive into individual whale wallets, see their holdings, and track conviction plays. If whales are holding Pepe or a new AI token, you'll know instantly. The beauty of this system is simplicity. You don't need to be a chart analyst or a blockchain expert. You just follow the data, swap in when whales are buying, and swap out when they're selling. The goal is simple. 2 times your money, then play with house profits. Think about it. One trader flipped $400 into $25,000 just by following whale wallets. Another made $19,000 in a single day. These aren't isolated cases. They're everyday people using ZenChain AI to cut through the noise and trade smarter. Even beginners, even people who've never traded before, are seeing results because the system does the heavy lifting. Crypto runs 24/7. No human can keep up with that pace. But AI doesn't sleep. It scans, tracks, and updates in real time. That means you're never late to the party. You're not chasing pumps, you're predicting them. And when whales move millions into a project, you'll know before the headlines hit. So here's the bottom line. If you're tired of guessing, tired of missing out, and tired of losing money because you're late, it's time to let AI work for you. ZenChain AI gives you the unfair advantage of trading alongside whales, not behind them. You can get started today for less than the cost of dinner and a movie. It's plug and play, beginner-friendly, and backed by a community of traders who are already seeing results. If you're ready to predict crypto price movements with confidence and use AI to trade smarter, click the link below and join us inside ZenChain AI. Don't wait until the next pump passes you by. Start trading with the whales, not chasing them. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.